With Business Central live in the cloud, Step 8, Maintenance and Enhancements, mark the beginning of a new chapter. Why does ongoing cloud maintenance matter? An on-prem system could stay unchanged for years if it did the job. In the cloud, things work differently, business goals evolve, technology changes a lot faster, and Microsoft Update continuously open new possibilities. At its core, maintenance keeps everything alive, so the Business Central Cloud continues to support the business as it grows. A good maintenance process includes ongoing development and support for new features, regular health checks, updating and retesting custom code and extensions, managing Microsoft updates, daily performance monitoring via telemetry. Maintenance doesn't just mean keeping things running. It means evolving. Older approaches are gradually being replaced, and cloud-native ways of working where enhancement is crucial. Our approach to maintenance and enhancement follows the same structured mindset we apply during migration. We plan each update, run regression testing, ensure documentation, and integrate with AI. The result is important. Updates feel visible, and Business Central Cloud remains reliable and efficient day after day. With maintenance and enhancement in place, the 8-step Stairway to Cloud journey continues as an ongoing process. And with that, Business Central Cloud is ready for long-term growth.